Are you a realtor struggling to close deals? Picture this. A potential buyer walks into a home that sparkles and shines. Instantly, they can envision their life there. At TidyTex Home Cleaning, we specialize in making homes irresistible to buyers, ensuring your listings stand out. As a proud veteran-owned business based in San Antonio, we understand the importance of reliability and professionalism. Our expert cleaning services are tailored for realtors looking to prepare homes for sale, improving property showings, and ultimately, closing deals faster. We offer quick turnarounds and meticulous attention to detail to ensure every corner of the home is pristine before open houses or buyer visits. And here's a quick tidy tip for realtors. For little to no cost, open all blinds and turn on lights before a showing. A bright, welcoming space encourages buyers to feel comfortable and appreciate the home's best features. Ready to elevate your listings? Contact us today for more details. Visit app.tidytex.us or call 21-951-8206. Let TidyTex help you shine in the competitive real estate market.